In this video, we will be discussing how rolling straddle works. What is a rolling straddle? So rolling straddle will keep on rolling the straddle depending on the range we define. Here, currently I have taken a 47,400 straddle and the spot is at around 47,400. Now we decide the range of the straddle and the range will be applicable to all the straddles. So even if this goes to 47,500 straddle, this range will be defined for the next up and down straddle. So here what is happening is rolling up. Rolling up means this straddle 47,400 will be shifted to 47,500 when the spot is above 47,470. 47,400 40 plus 70, 47,470. And when it will move down when the spot is below 47,330. So minus 17 plus 70 is the range. The straddle will move accordingly up or down. And the next straddle will also move accordingly up and down depending on the range we define. So this range will be intact. If you want to change this range at any point of time, we can do that also. This is how the active rules will get changed and the spot movement will decide the straddle up and down movement. So this is all about rolling straddle.